It is 2:31 p.m. We're looking east down the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Northern Transcon, Skykomish, Washington, Thursday afternoon, February 2nd, 2023. On the siding is an eastbound combination intermodal and auto racks waiting to meet this westbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway freight. Looks like an intermodal headed to South Seattle, probably Washington. And this is where the freights start their climb east up the west slope of Stevens Pass in the Cascade Mountains, going through at the summit through Cascade Tunnel, the longest railroad tunnel in the United States, 7.8 miles long. Went through it yesterday on a westbound Empire Builder, Amtrak Empire Builder. Was originally the Great Northern Railway. This could be the super BNSF westbound intermodal hotshot that originates at the BNSF Intermodal Terminal at Cicero, Illinois, not too far west of Chicago, and terminates at the BNSF South Seattle, Washington Intermodal Terminal. Wherever one of these containers and trailers is probably a guaranteed arrival, and BNSF pays a penalty if they're late arriving South Seattle. It's in 40 degrees Fahrenheit today. Nice and sunny all day today. Rain tomorrow. Not too long of a train today. Looks like the eastbound is now getting underway. I hear the DPU, distributed power unit. Yeah, he's on the move now. Let's have a look at a few things here. This was probably a hotel, and that bridge goes over the Skykomish River. This looks like a Wild West town. Rocky says this was a Great Northern Railway town. Now let's go look at the Whistling Post bar, probably a bar and restaurant, biker's bar. We're looking east at the Cascade Mountains. Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, I think, begins their climb to the summit and Cascade Tunnel. Here's the whistling post. And you hear the DPU, Distributed Power Unit, GE locomotive getting underway, heading east. Yeah, so Skykomish, Washington has a hotel. Bye-bye eastbound intermodal and auto rack train. Now we'll take a look at a BNSF Jordan spreader. And there's a bike in front of the whistling post. Must be a biker's bar. And this must have been a hotel. Hey, there's Rocky the Goat, Great Northern Railway. Rocky the Goat. And across the railroad is the Skykomish passenger station, now a museum. Let's go down and look at the Jordan spreader, and then we'll do an over and out. And the bridge goes over the Skykomish River. The other side is US Route number 2. And here's the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Jordan spreader. I think it's a Jordan spreader. And some maintenance away equipment. And it's now 2:40 p.m. Thursday afternoon, February 2nd, 2023, Skykomish, Washington, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway all the way, Skykomish River, over and out.